What if the spouse who is paying the mortgage and keeping the house misses payments?
If they miss it in that time, then the non-paying spouse has a right to go to the court and request that the house immediately be placed for sale.
Now, should it affect their credit? Because legally, in the divorce, so you have banks, you have the credit, you have the court, you have the bank, you have all these people's opinions. Because I know my opinion, but in your world, it might not be opinion. I don't know. Should that person have that late payment on their credit report, even though they're not legally obligated to this property anymore?
Well, here's the thing. Mortgage lenders, banks, they don't care what a decree says. If there are two people on a loan, you are both obligated to pay it regardless of what your decree says. Your only right, available right, is to go back to court and ask the judge to sanction, essentially.
Mm-hmm.
And so if your credit's affected, nothing is going to fix that. There's nothing a judge can do to force the credit companies to fix that credit. You can contest it, you can try and go back and get that fixed. What the court can do is put in motion things to cure it as soon as possible, whether that's forcing the sale of the house, sanctioning, giving you money as damages. But that's all that can really happen. So you're really trusting your ex.
So now, on a bank size, for doing a mortgage, I have to tell you, if that divorce decree is signed, stamped, and filed, okay, and you're not obligated to that property in the decree, we don't hit you for that payment. Now, but the credit bureaus care, so now I'm going to care about your credit score. So I care about your credit score, but I don't care about the property.
And
it's a double-edged sword.
It's a double-edged
It's going to get you one way or the other.
It's a lose-lose.
And that's why you really need to trust that your ex-spouse is going to make those payments. And here's something I ask my clients every time we're in this situation, whether it's my client retaining the property or the other party, is can you or the other party make these payments? Like, is it realistic that on separate incomes, your own incomes, are you going to be able to make this payment? And if that's, and that's those hard discussions where we decide maybe it's best to just sell the house because with a single income, they can't make that payment, or it's making hard choices between what bills to pay. And that's just not a viable situation to be in.